बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की हम इस अपनी वीडियो में विंटर सीजन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, तो चलिए इसको स्टार्ट करते हैं। नंबर 1, विंटर सीजन इज द कोल्डेस्ट सीजन ऑफ द ईयर। नंबर 2, दिस सीजन स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम नवंबर एंड लास्ट टिल मार्च। Number 3, the cold winds blows. Number 4, during winter, days are short and nights are long. Number 5, everyone wear warm woolen clothes to keep the body warm in winter. Number 6, people prefer hot tea and coffee in winter days. Number 7, winter is very dry and most chilly season of the year. Number 8, winter is the season of healthy fruits and green leafy vegetables. Number 9, in winter, people like hot drinks like tea, coffee, and soup. Number 10, people go on picnics on this time. Number 11, snow falls in hilly areas. The hilly areas are covered with a thick layer of white snow. Number 12, in this season, we can see fog all around in the morning. Number 13, the sunshine in this season brings us a lot of relief. Number 14, this season is very difficult for the people living on the road and for the poor people. Number 15, we can help them by giving some of our clothes. Number 16, in winter, the beauty of nature appears in different forms in different places. Number 17, winter is a very pleasant season. Number 18, I feel very active in winter season. Number 19, so winter is a very important part of nature. Number 20, I like winter season very much. उम्मीद है आपको मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। अगर आपको मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा, ताकि मेरी नई आने वाली वीडियोस आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंच सके। तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।